How's it going, y'all? We're down here in the Hartman bottoms on the levee on the Arkansas River. Gonna be trying to catch some catfish tonight. The weather's finally cooled down some, and sun's setting. Sure feeling wonderful out here. Maybe I can get some fish to show y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Daily's Great Outdoors. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, you know. Meathunterrods.com. DGO15 for 15% off. Well, been out here a couple hours. Finally got one. It's not a monster by any means, but guess what? If I was starving, that would feed me. Yep, nice fish. Using these rigs right here. Kissing Fish, Alyssa from Outdoor Wicked Adventures. Hi. Look at that. You still got my worm in your mouth. Yep. We're gonna. Y'all want to keep this dude? No? Didn't figure. Yep. We're gonna let him go free and in the wild. Thanks for watching. Well, we're gonna close it out here. Only caught that one fish. Had a good time. Sat around, talked, looked at the stars. You know, had some bites and everything, but just didn't pan out. The bugs are a little crazy, and we're all tired because we're old. So, hope y'all enjoy.